Hi, today we're going to go over how to invite others to your board and what each member role we have available does. First, we're going to go to our board. Up in the top left corner, we're going to select Members. This will give us a list of all the members that we have, as well as their status and their email addresses. Let's add a member. Go to Invite Member, and here you can see all of the options that we have for members. We have admins. Admins are basically the account holders for the board. They can access all functionalities of the board. They can invite new members. They can promote people or demote people or remove people from the board, as well as handle any fiscal changes that need to be done to the board. An emergency poster is someone who is put in charge of putting out a message on your HootBoard screen to alert any users in case of an emergency. So think of weather events or Amber Alerts, things such as that. Next, we have posters. Posters is who's actually going to be putting content on the board. Posters can post to the board. They can view private hoots and public hoots. A poster can also be converted to an admin to help you administrate the board if needed. Next is private viewers. Private viewers can view all private and public posts, however they are not able to post to your board. And lastly, we have followers. Followers can only see public hoots. So how do we invite someone? We're going to select admin. And here we're going to enter in whichever email address we'd like to use to invite that person. And here we're going to have a generic message. We can actually change this message or keep it the same. Feel free to customize it if needed. Then select I am not a robot and send invite. Once you've sent out your invite, you can go to pending invites to see any invites that you have sent out. Here you can resend or revoke those invites. Once again, that's all about members and how to invite them. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.